So how do you get unlimited clients on Upwork? If you don't already know, my name's Ryan. All we talk about on this YouTube channel is landing whale clients on the platform. I'm ranked #1 for NAN and automation on Upwork via Upwork MRR. And this is basically what I do for a living. Now, if I was going to summarize how to get unlimited clients on the Upwork platform, I would break it into kind of 3 main points. Those 3 main points are having a really good profile, and I'll show you what that looks like, having consistent outreach, and I'll also show you what that looks like and how I've closed 6-figure deals with this style of outreach. And thirdly, talking about mindset and your earning potential on the platform and what's actually possible on Upwork. Because still to this day, people still think it's full of low-paying clients, and it isn't. And I'm going to show you that in this video. So that first point, your profile. Having a great profile is definitely one of the first steps in terms of getting unlimited clients on the platform. And ultimately, if you have a good profile, it's like having a good piece of real estate. You don't really have to do anything with it. It will consistently make you money. And unlike real estate, you're not going to have a bunch of homeless people breaking into your house when you leave it unattended. For example, I left my profile dead for about 3 years, and then I came back in November 2025 and went on for about 6 to 7 months to make over $400,000 during that period, which is like over $2,000 a day consistently just from Upwork alone. And that was in a completely new niche, might I add. So this is possible. Once you have a great profile, you can switch niches and you can switch skills. And that's really cool. Now, I could explain in this YouTube video how to get unlimited clients by having a great profile, but I've actually made a full free checklist. It's almost like a free course on YouTube on how to structure your profile, and I'll put it on the screen somewhere. Definitely go check that out. But ultimately, it comes down to having a really good branded profile. It comes down to having a really good video introduction and the same branding across the video introduction to the portfolio, to the profile picture. And also, again, having a great profile picture, having a very chunky profile. But again, go watch that video because I explain it in depth on every single step that you need to do completely for free. There's no paywall. It's just a free 30-minute video teaching you exactly what you need to do for your profile. But ultimately, once you have a great Upwork profile, you don't even really need to spend money on connects. Like, I haven't spent any money on connects for the last, 3 weeks, and I've still had consistent daily invites and messages on my Upwork profile, all inbound, all organic, without spending a single penny on connects or boosting. But once you got a good profile, how do you actually go about getting clients? Well, that is where it comes to that second point, which is consistent outreach. Now, people love to overcomplicate Upwork in terms of the outreach and so on, but really it's simple. It's only 2 things. It's either inbound, which is boosting, or outbound, which is proposals, and both have their pros and cons. Now, if you know me and you've been watching this YouTube channel for a while, I only talk about boosting because that's all I ever need to do. I don't need to send proposals because it's all inbound for me, and that's because I have a great profile like in the first point. But proposals are also very important, especially if you're a new person or a beginner or kind of intermediary person on the platform. Ultimately, if you have less than 10K earned on your profile and you're not top rated and you have less than 100% job success score and not like a beautiful profile, I would urge you to not boost your profile because you're basically burning money. But with proposals, it's really just a volume game, and you can kind of get away with it. As long as you send a certain amount of proposals, you're pretty much guaranteed to get a certain amount of responses back. Now, for me, I teach people to send proposals with personalized Loom videos. Now, I'm going to put a video on the screen of a Loom kind of walkthrough course thing that I made on YouTube that you can check out. It's really in depth on how to send Looms. But the reason that Loom videos work and the reason that they stand out, and it's the reason that it's one of the highest converting ways to get clients on Upwork, is because it's so personalized. It's so unique. And in a world of ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and AI, Looms speak. Looms are so genuine, it's you. You can't really fake that, and you look real. You're saying, hey, I can help you with the project, instead of just getting some AI slop message, which, by the way, 99% of people still send on Upwork. And that actually leads me on to another thing about consistent outreach on Upwork is try not to automate it until you have a good thing. And don't automate it with just rubbish, very sloppy AI. It just looks terrible. And yes, you've automated it, but ultimately, who cares if you're spending so many more connects just to get the same client that you could have got from a little bit more personalization. And that's proposals. But if you have a great profile, just slap on boosting and it will work for you really well. And I have a full boosting course that's coming out on this YouTube channel because nobody talks about it. I'm the only one that's actually making money from it. So I thought I would make a dedicated course completely for free on YouTube. I'm not charging for it. And that will be on my YouTube channel very shortly. And finally, the last point, once you've got a great profile, profile and you're consistently sending proposals and boosting and doing outreach on your profile, you got to pair those things together with your brain and your mindset. And that is the next point. Ultimately, you are bottlenecked by your belief on Upwork. If you believe that Upwork is full of small, low-paying clients, then that is what you will attract. And look, I'm the last guy to give you like wishy-washy advice, like spiritual, like if you know this and you manifest it, look, it works. And it's important to understand that you will get what you think your earning potential is on Upwork. And the best way to break your limiting beliefs around Upwork is just to look at the maths. There's websites like Upwork MRR, which I rank #1 for on NAN, by the way. And you can see people making hundreds of thousands of dollars, $160,000 a month on Upwork. And for context, statistically speaking, the average person on Upwork in the top 100 on Upwork is making over $39,000 per month. The person in the top 10,000, the average is making what? $7,000, $8,000 on Upwork. So there's quite a lot of money going around, but most people don't believe that. Most people think that Upwork is full of low-paying clients. And because they think that, they manifest that. And because they manifest that, that's what they get. They think it, and then that's what happens. And even if you have a perfect mindset around Upwork and you really believe this is possible, and you just look at the data objectively and realize that this is possible, and by the way, that's the minimum that they're making because it's based on, numbers that of actual withdrawals on Upwork. There is one other aspect of your mindset that if you don't do, will completely break everything too. And that is working every single deal. You must consistently work every single deal on Upwork. If you get a message, you've already paid for it. If a client responds to your proposal, you've already paid for it. So work every single deal. I mentor people all the time. And one of the first things I do is I look at their Upwork profile and I look at the messaging section. And you'll be surprised that people just unattend the client and not follow up with them and don't really talk to them that much. You gotta follow up with the clients consistently. You gotta provide value. You've got to work every single deal. And honestly, if you have a great profile and you're consistent with the outreach and you have a good mindset and believe in your earning potential on the platform and you consistently work every single deal, there's no reason that you can't get unlimited clients on the Upwork platform. But if you haven't already subscribed to this YouTube channel, definitely do it. All I talk about on this YouTube channel is Upwork. And if you want more one-to-one help, then click the link in the description and I would love to help you. But anyway, I will see you in the next video.